Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to code guys lava phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys lava phone guys display setting. And today video title is guys how to change lava mobile phone sleep time. Friends, we want to change lava mobile phone sleep time. So then how to change and how to use phone sleep time setting in this video friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your lava phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on Lava Mobile. Friends, click here Lava Mobile display setting. After on display setting, friends scroll it and friends click here Lava Mobile screen timeout setting. After on screen timeout friends, select your phone sleep time setting 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute. Example friends, I will select 15 seconds. Friends, if you select 15 seconds, so after 15 seconds your lava phone will sleep automatically. Wait and watch, and friends don't tap on screen. Lava phone friends, don't tap here, wait for 15 seconds and friends automatic your phone will sleep, the screen will off automatically. So like that friends, you can change your lava phone sleep time. And friends, you want to increase your lava mobile phone sleep time screen timeout, you want to increase. So when direct you can search your screen timeout setting as CREE screen timeout setting display setting. Friends, direct click here, select your screen timeout, your phone sleep time 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minute, 5, 10, and guys last friends we have 30 minutes. Friends, I will increase into 5 minutes. So friends, now you can check after 15 seconds guys your lava phone screen will not off automatic if you do not tap. So friends, now your phone screen, your lava mobile will sleep after 5 minutes if you do not tap on your screen. So friends, you can see 15 seconds is done but screen is on. So like that friends, we can change, we can increase phone sleep time on lava mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching.